If you wonder how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets, this guide is right what you searched for. There are two main methods. Using a stack bar chart is the most common one. This approach is free, though quite limited and rigid. The timeline feature, on the contrary, is a paid, yet more powerful solution that allows for better flexibility, appealing visual, and additional functions. For the first option, you can check out our article by the link in the description, while we are going to proceed to the second one. And as a bonus for committed project managers, at the end, we'll showcase a professional Gantt chart-based tool. Now, let's open a new Google Sheet and get to work. First of all, we'll need a well-structured dataset. Right the way we did in our Gantt chart in Excel tutorial, we'll organize the main information using a simple table. Standard fields for a Gantt chart typically include task names, start dates, and end dates. In order to determine the duration of your tasks, add a corresponding column and enter the following formula. Type an equal sign, reference the end date of the task by clicking on it, type minus, and reference the start date. Then, extend this formula to the rest of the rows. You can also add extra columns like assignees, priority, or status, or make these additions later. It's worth noticing that in professional project management solutions, like the one we're going to cover later, there is no need to waste time on tables. Planning starts as soon as you open the app. With this project data neatly organized, you can insert a timeline. Select the table, go to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets page and pick up Insert. The drop-down menu will appear, and you'll be able to select Timeline. This menu option will create a new tab in your spreadsheet, converting the selected data into a horizontal Gantt chart. If you want to add a new task, just come back to the table and type the required information. The chart and the table are interconnected, so any changes in the latter immediately affect the timeline. If you added new columns or tasks that weren't automatically included in the chart, you can easily redefine the data range in the settings. It's also possible to change the view of your chart. Just find the corresponding menu on the top pane and choose a suitable option from the drop-down list. Let's group tasks by their names. To do it, go to the Settings menu again and find the optional fields. Then, select the desired option in the Card Group section. Now you can see a list of tasks grouped on the very left side of your diagram. To change the color of the taskbars, firstly, select Task Name in the Card Color section. Then, click on a card. In the Appeared pane, you can see its details and specify the color to add a visual dimension to your chart. That is it. Finally, you'll probably want to share the results with your project stakeholders or any other third party involved. Find and click Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Then, choose the people with whom you want to share your chart, or copy the link to send it to someone later. You might ask, how can I establish task dependencies, highlight milestones, set deadlines, consider resources and budget? Where can I get these functions? Fortunately, here comes the third and the ultimate solution for Gantt chart creation, GanttPRO. As opposed to Google Sheets, GanttPRO is tailored for project management needs. You can set start dates, working days, and hours right from the beginning. Create tasks and manage their duration with simple drag and drop. The length of an event is calculated automatically. You can further simplify the creation of a Gantt chart by implementing ready-made GanttPRO templates designed for a variety of projects and spheres. Let's take a look at the interface. A simple, user-friendly work breakdown structure allows for systemizing tasks and defining logic in a project. In the Assigned column, it's possible to manage people and virtual resources. Moreover, you can define their costs, set personal calendars for them, and specify their roles. Your team members will see the changes and know who is in charge of what. Display other fields, or even create custom ones. Set dependencies between tasks to see how one event affects the others. With this feature, you can make corrections to your project plan at any stage. Additionally, you can highlight key activities on a timeline that are called project milestones. Control resource workload to make the most of the time while avoiding burnout in the team. There is no need to leave the app to send a message. All communication and collaboration happens right in GanttPRO. Track progress, attach files, display critical path, and so much more to enhance your planning. In this video, you learned how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets and in a professional planning tool. Let us know if you like the tutorial in the comments. Still unsure about the best solution for your project? Try GanttPRO for free by the link in the description.